Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video on my YouTube channel Deep Tech English. How are you all doing today? Today I'll be sharing my experience with this fascinating device. Can you guess what it is? Let me give you a hint. It is a device packed with a GILF light and a unique UI, and currently you can grab this device for just 23,000 in India, and let me tell you, it's worth talking about. But before we dive into the details and answer all of your amazing questions from my previous videos, do me a favor, hit the like button, and if you have not already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel Deep Tech English. Your support means the world to me and help me bring you more honest tech reviews. So let's start with the first question that many of you asked. It's about Nothing OS 3. Well, the wait is finally over because Nothing OS 3 is now here, and yes, we also have Nothing Gallery now. One of its cool feature, the circle to search. Not just that, you can now create a sticker from your still photos, just like we have seen in iPhone and Samsung. Honestly, this feature is super handy and fun to use. And guess what? This device also comes with Android 15, so you will have latest update, improved performance and seamless experience. Oh, and here's something many of you might not know, the Ringtone Composer on your Nothing device yet. These tools are next level. You can literally compose your own ringtone, so it's creative, super fun to use, and let me know in comments if you have experimented with it and what do you think about it so far. There's so much more to explore with this device, and trust me, I'm just getting started, and keep watching because there's more to come, including answers to the rest of your question and my detailed thought on this device. Alright, moving on to the next question. This one was about the camera and its processing time. So here's what I have noticed. Earlier the processing time for photos used to be between 4 to 6 seconds, which was a bit of wait, right? But now, with the latest update, it's down to just 2 seconds. That's a huge improvement. When it comes to picture quality, let me show you a quick comparison. Here's a photo taken on S21 FE and another taken on device. Just take a look at these two images. You can see the difference. Right now it's your turn. Let me know in the comment which photo or video you think came from which device, Nothing Phone 2A or S21 FE. I'd like to see how many of you guess it right. Now about the speaker and call quality, I saw a few of you were asking about that as well. To be honest, I did not notice any issue. The audio quality is crisp and clear and calls are seamless, so there's nothing much to add there. It's actually really good. So overall this device continues to impress, and I'm really happy with this improvement. Now let's talk about one of the major improvement I noticed with this device, 4K 60fps HDR video playback. Earlier playing high quality videos like this on YouTube was a bit of struggle. This device used to lag quite a bit, and honestly it was pretty irritating for me, especially when I wanted a smooth experience. But now with this recent updates, you can play 4K 60fps HDR video without any lag. This is a game changer for content lover and YouTube watcher. If you watch Netflix, it really enhances the overall experience. But as much as I love the improvement, there are still a few areas where nothing needs to improve. First, the UI. While it's unique and visually appealing, there are certain areas where it can feel a bit unpolished. Second, the camera. While the performance has improved, you can play BGMI at 90fps. There's still some room for fine tuning, especially in low light condition. And yes, I did encounter few bugs here and there, nothing major. They are mostly negligible, but they are still noticeable. To sum it up, this device has made some solid progress, especially with performance and video playback, but there's always room for improvement. Hopefully nothing will address these major issues in future updates. Now let's talk about battery and performance, two things that really matter for any smartphone user. This device comes with 5000 mAh of battery, and after using it for almost a year, I can confidently say it still gives me a great backup, more than 8 hours on average. Of course, that depends on how you handle your phone, as they say. Battery performance varies from user to user based on usage pattern. But here's something you should note. You'll need to buy a 45 watt of charger separately, as it does not come in the box. Speaking of performance, this phone runs on MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, and let me tell you, it works like butter. I'm not going to get into Antutu score or benchmark because honestly, real world performance matters more. Whether you are playing game or switching between application, it handles everything like a pro. I have not faced a single issue in terms of performance. It still feels solid and reliable, but let me tell you about the build quality, which is one area I'm not entirely happy with. While the design looks great, the back is prone to smudge and scratches. You'll need to handle it with extra care. For me, that's a bit of downside. So, should you go for this device? Well, here's my take. If you're okay with the current build quality and don't want to wait, then yes, you can go for it. It's still a great choice. But if you want something better, I'd Suggest waiting for upcoming Nothing Phone 3 series. There's going to take some time, though it depends on your urgency. And with that, we reach the end of this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. Forgive me if my English was not perfect, but I hope you enjoy the content. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Deep Tech English. It means a lot to me. Take care everyone. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye. Take care.
सुन लो